these girls ain't really no good for me. Yeah. Da 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 da.
Hello everybody. We have decided to do our tutorial on the following subject, some weight exercise training to strengthen your back and your shoulder girdle.
Firstly, we will present you a lot of movement in the first time with the good positioning and after the good execution.
Finally, we will explain why we took this topic.
So we will present you a pull-up exercise. This exercise works the back muscles, latissimus dorsi, teres minor, teres major. This is called a body weight and polyarticular exercise. We may add an additional load to increase the difficulty or resistance, elastic, weight. Pull-ups can be done in different ways. They can be made in pronation, supination or neutral, wide or tight grip. So we will show you wide and pronation grip pull-up.
So for the pull-up, the execution is done in several steps. In the first step, start the movement in full extension at the arm. Tilt the scapula down and shoulder back. Pull with your arm and pass over the bar to retain the eccentric phase, and that's all of the movement.
We will present you rowing. Rowing is an exercise to row the back muscle, but it is a little more complex than pull-up because it strengthens the lumbar muscle by maintaining the bent chest position. This exercise can be also with a bar or with dumbbells. It can be also with support at the torso, such as a bench, the neglect the work of the lumbar vertebrae. Here we will present you how to realize a rowing exercise with a titled bust bar.
So the positioning of rowing is hands pronation grip, shoulder wise. The start is made by bending slightly to the knees, bust leaning. You must have the choice back and you are seated. Good. Looking forward. Perform the full extension arms. So the execution is pull the bar by keeping to the closed body. The fast concentric movement finish by touching abdomen at the level. You must retain the eccentric phase. Good. It is a rowing.
So now I will present you the exercise of military press. This is an exercise that involves the work at the deltoid, like front deltoid, rear deltoid, and lateral deltoid. This is an exercise who can be down standing or sitting on a bench inclinated at 90 degrees. On this exercise, we can use a bar with or without weight, depending the level of the individual who practice this exercise or the feasibility. We can be down this exercise with dumbbells also. Now we present this exercise and the execution of this exercise.
I talk about the positioning. You should have the bench in the angle of 90 degrees. Tanguy should have the shoulders in a neutral position. Secondly, I speak about the positioning. He should to have the dumbbells in the same alignment with the shoulders. And he should to push up the dumbbells in the same alignment with the shoulders. It is the concentric phase. After, there is the eccentric phase. He should to keep control the dumbbells in the same lines with the shoulders. At the end of the movement, he should to have angle of 90 degrees with the elbows.
So we choose this topic because it's very important to have reinforced back and shoulder girdle in many sports and but also every day in life.
It is necessary to reduce the risk of injury. This makes it easier to carry out daily but also complex movements that athletes may encounter.
Muscle strengthening in this area of the body also allow people to have better position, standing up straight, for example, not to mention that strengthening back your helps to maintain your spine.
Da 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 da.